Hello, Curious! It seems that with each passing moment of the ongoing Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial, some new information is brought to light. New testimonies, evidence, and comments had come out, and each had the internet in a bigger uproar than the previous one. With Depp finally able to speak on the situation for the first time, he said several things that shocked many, such as the actor allegedly harming himself in an attempt to end his life, and admitting to being a victim of domestic violence. What have been the most recent details to come from court? Why did a makeup company call Heard out on social media? Why has one of Heard's witnesses backed out? Did Johnny slam his ex Vanessa Paradis in court? And why did the actor not leave Amber despite being hurt? Stay with us to find out all the latest news in regards to the ongoing case, but before we continue, don't forget to turn on the notifications and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the recent news. Details of the ex-spouses' lives have been making headlines for years. The ongoing trial, however, has been particularly widely reported. In our last video, we talked about what Depp had said in his testimony, where he talked about what had happened to himself for the very first time. Now, if you would like to know the details, then you can check out our previous video by clicking on the link above. Though for now, make sure to stay with us for the most recent and shocking details of the pair's relationship which had come to light. Most recently, internet users were rather amused with some information that had come out from court. In the opening statements, Heard's attorneys had claimed the Aquaman actress had used the Milani Cosmetics Conceal Plus Perfect All-in-One Correcting Kit while still in a relationship with the actor in order to hide bruises that the attorney claimed were caused by domestic violence. But in response to that, the company took to their TikTok account where they showed internal documents that went against what was heard in court. As per the video, they did confirm that the palette presented in Virginia was in fact the one that the attorneys claimed it was, but they also revealed that it was not released until December 2017, and the couple split in 2016. As per NBC News, a source close to the actress had revealed that the attorneys were just using this kit as an example of the kind of makeup that she used. They had also commented that it's sad when a makeup company uses the fact as an opportunity to make light of what victims of domestic violence have to do to hide the results of the pain they endure. Though it wasn't just Heard being called out by the makeup company that had Depp supporters thinking that things are going in the actor's favour. It was the fact that the actor for the first time ever had admitted to being a victim of domestic violence. In the recording that was played in court, Amber was heard telling her ex, "Tell the world, Johnny. Tell them I, Johnny Depp, a man, is a victim of domestic violence." She was also then heard asking him to see how many people would believe or side with him. Now, if you would like to know who during their court proceedings sided with which star, then check out our previous video by clicking on the link above. When Johnny was later asked by his lawyer about what he said in response to being asked if he was a victim, the Pirates of the Caribbean star responded that he said he was. Previously, he had also stated that the only person he had ever abused in his life was himself. During the cross-examination, the actress's lawyers had played an audio tape that was allegedly dated July 2016, 2 months after the pair filed for divorce. From the recording, it was heard that the actor supposedly had a knife in his hand and was going to hurt himself, as those are the things that Heard was saying to him. In response to that, as per the recording, he responded, "There's a way for the pain to go away." As the video was played for those in a courtroom, the actor was seen with his head down, refusing to look up at anyone, before grabbing a tissue and trying not to cry. During his testimony, the actor had also talked about the reason for staying with Heard despite all that he has claimed she put him through. He mentioned that Heard had spoken about taking her own life on a couple of occasions and sometimes said to him, "I can't live without you, I'm going to die." He mentioned this was a reason he stayed with her despite the alleged violence against him. He then recalled the heartbreaking experience of finding his mother after she attempted to end her life when his father had left. Depp added that her attempt on her own life was a direct result of his father leaving, and it was something that remained at the back of his mind. While during the trial, we heard and saw the alleged negative things that the Edward Scissorhands actor had said to his ex, Amber, such as text messages with Paul Bettany where the two discussed burning and drowning the actress. Most recently, the court was presented with an email where he seemed to slam the mother of his children, Vanessa Paradis. As per the reports, in an email dated to 2013, this was sent to the pop legend Elton John, the actor began updating the singer on his life before writing, "My kids have fallen head over heels in deep love with Amber, my girl, and that pressure off my shoulders is good." That is, until the French extortionist ex attempts to brainwash them against her, which I'm sure is imminent. This had shocked many, as Vanessa had often spoken in support of her ex during his troubles of Heard, and it seemed the two were on good terms, though many fans in the defense had pointed out that this was an email that was sent a long time ago, and Depp himself had said that at the time their relationship was strained. If you want to know more about his relations with Parody, then you can check out our previous video by clicking on the link above. Another thing that had been highly talked about during the case was the billionaire Elon Musk, who was set to testify. After the former married couple had filed for divorce, Amber started dating Musk, and thanks to her former agent Christian Carino, we get a little more insight into that relationship. During his deposition, text messages that were dating from August 2017 were brought up, and in one, the Aquaman actress told her former agent that she was dealing with a breakup and hated when things were made public. Speaking to the jury, the man said that he believed she was referring to Musk at the time, before his reply to the text was shown. Seems like a press release. You weren't in love with him, and you told me 1,000 times you were just filling space. This piece of news had many talking, given that at the time, some were questioning why Heard was in a relationship with Musk to begin with. When together, the pair did not shy away from being seen in public, despite never officially confirming they were an item until their split, when they commented on it on their Instagram accounts. Now, at the time, Rolling Stone had reported that Elon was very hurt by that decision, as allegedly he was in love with the actress. While both had stated they remained friends and were spotted together again after that, now it has been revealed that the Tesla CEO won't be testifying. The news was announced by his attorney, Alex Spiro, to E! News. While fans of Depp speculated the reason for this could have been the text messages to Carino that were revealed, a real reason was never given. Also, as per recent reports by The Independent, actor James Franco has allegedly been scratched off the list of potential witnesses as well. But speaking of Heard, it seems that there are some who think that the actress might be sick. On Tuesday, April 26th, forensic psychologist Dr. Shannon Curry, appointed by Depp, gave her testimony. In her opinion, the actress shows two psychiatric diagnoses: borderline personality disorder and historic personality disorder. The witness testified that this diagnosis was based on an examination of Heard's previous psychological evaluation, in conjunction with Dr. Curry's twice direct examination of the actress. Some fans had used the story that Depp told during his testimony about Amber making poor Bettany's 18-year-old son cry by snapping at him when he voiced his opinion on a topic he was knowledgeable in as proof of the doctor's diagnosis. But there were also some light moments in court that had most of those in the room laughing, and the most recent one involved Depp's private parts. When speaking of the house the pair rented in Australia, Heard's lawyer had said that Johnny was trying to urinate in the foyer and that he had his private parts out. When the bodyguard, Malcolm Connolly, was asked whether the actor was urinating, he said no, but then the lawyer asked whether the actor had his penis out, to which Connolly replied, "I think I would remember if I'd seen Mr. Depp's penis," which had prompted Depp and other attendees in the court to laugh. Outside of the courtroom, there had also been many revelations and comments on the ongoing case coming from both fans and other celebrities alike. Some had shown that even in past, other stars noticed that something was not right. In a clip that was shown on TikTok, 50 Shades of Grey actress Dakota Johnson was seen looking down at Depp's severed finger. When the actor offered a funny explanation that made her laugh, she was seen looking at it again. As a result, some users had pointed out that Johnson didn't believe whatever Depp had told her was the reason for the injury. But it seems that past several days, Depp's fans had also been busy with their #JusticeForJohnny campaigns. A petition to have Heard removed from the second Aquaman movie that has been published in December 2019 has gained momentum with this current case, and especially Depp's testimony, and has now reached over 2 million signatures, though it is worth noting that the movie had already been made with Amber in the cast. And in a recent turn of events, some fans on TikTok think that Heard's lawyer is secretly a fan of Johnny Depp. Why? Because the footage of the Lone Ranger star during the film's 2013 premiere in London appeared to show a familiar-looking lady gazing at Depp from behind a red carpet barricade. And to this, TikTok detectives have declared that she bears striking resemblance to none other than Heard's lawyer, Elaine Bredenhoft. As a result, some fans are now speculating that she may be in on the ploy to prove his innocence, claiming that Heard's team is sabotaging themselves. While these are just accusations of fans with no 100% confirmed proof behind them, some had used court footage of the actress's lawyer team stumbling, such as objection to the question that they asked, as proof of that. As per Deadline, Amber Heard is set to take to the stand and testify herself during the week commencing May 2nd, so we will be keeping you up to date with the latest news that will come from the Virginia trial. So curious, what do you think about the most recent information that has come to light? How did you react to the makeup company calling Heard out? Why do you think Musk is not testifying? Do you really believe that her lawyer is a secret Depp fan? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.